Good morning. I am the awful chef. I cook, well, I eat, so I better figure out what I'm going to cook. And that's in spite of the fact there are bad things going on in this world. I really feel like cooking today. Tonight's meal is so simple it even doesn't even deserve a show. It's just a store-bought pasta sauce, marinara, with cut up green and black olives, some red pepper flakes, some fresh basil, and I like capers in mine. Yeah, when you get to the real Italian pastas, they tend to be more like pasta salad is, and they highlight the pasta itself. So I'm going to take this opportunity to highlight something very important that I've discovered a lot of people actually cannot do, and that is this. Yes, that comes across beautifully on YouTube. The weekly menu and grocery list. I wish to extol the virtues of planning what you're going to spend your money on. That's right. We spend all the money we want, but none we don't want. As a result, we spend a heck of a lot less money on food, among other things. So, I encourage you to buy some cookbooks or download some recipes now. Review their lists of ingredients, review what you have in the pantry, and buy what you need. I know, sounds revolutionary and radical. The only thing is, I find a lot of people actually are intimidated by this process. Practice will make you perfect. Budget will make it essential. And furthermore, it will make you healthier. A lot of these meals are not complicated, but they do require a little bit of planning. My addiction to canned beans makes cooking very quick. Pasta doesn't take long, rice doesn't take long. So that's it. That's the end of my pontification. Tonight's meal is simple, just a store-bought pasta, marinara sauce, cut up green and black olives, hot pepper flakes, and basil, a little olive oil, and just throw that over half a package of pasta and you feed 2 people. Serve it with salad and you're just a hero. Beyond that, plan your expenses, record your list, stick to the list. You'll see how little groceries we actually need for a week. And that's because we have a stocked pantry. I encourage you to eat like a European pauper. Beans, rice, and pasta. They work very well. They're cheap, they last in a pantry, and you can buy them in bulk. Which means on that day of the week when you have to go to the grocery store and you don't feel like it, who cares? You've got things you can cook. So, that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.